Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the duster's electrical system to ACC or on. This wakes the infotainment. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep it discoverable so the car can see it. Make sure the stereo is in Bluetooth or phone mode, not CD or AUX. That selection allows pairing. You're doing these steps now because the car and phone must actively search simultaneously. Skip any passive waiting and move straight into the pairing sequence. You'll now use the Duster menu to start pairing. Go to the stereo's Bluetooth settings and choose Search or Add Device. Once the phone appears, select it on the car display and then on your phone. This mutual selection creates the link. Make sure any PIN shown matches on both screens and accept or confirm on each device. If prompted, allow contacts and call history access so hands-free calling works. Those permissions enable phone book and caller ID and complete the setup by checking that media and call audio are routed to the car in your phone's Bluetooth settings. Set both to use the stereo. You should then place a test call and play a short audio clip to confirm microphone and speaker levels. Adjust volumes on both phone and stereo as needed. If pairing doesn't succeed, delete previous pairings on both devices, restart the phone and stereo, then repeat the pairing. That reset clears stale caches that commonly block connections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.